Everyone, my name is Brittany Harmon, and I am a registered behavior technician. I work both in a clinic and in a school system. And based on my reflection, I got a 57%, so I am working on ABA. I used 4 out of the 7 dimensions. I used applied, behavioral, analytic, and general narrative. What would I add? Would add more about the effectiveness, about how we continually take data every day to show the effectiveness of the interventions that we are using. I would then also talk more about technological and the conceptually systematic dimensions, and how we have to have the technological dimension, because if the interventions are not written out clearly, we are not able to implement them correctly, and how are conceptually systematic because the plans are based on the principles or processes that have been formed throughout the history of ABA. I learned from this that I understand the principles, but when I'm writing about what I do, I don't talk about them in the dimensions. And that, I guess, to describe what I do better to people, it would make a lot more sense if I would be able to describe what I do by using all 7 characteristics and simplify them out. So I got a 57%, so I'm working on ABA, and now I will be able to better describe what I do when I'm writing out about applied behavior analysis.